Hello, we are Team 4, and we're working with Accuweather to understand how we can mitigate the risk introduced by climate change for people and businesses across the world. We're going to present 3 ideas today, the first of which is water allocation. So water resources are increasingly becoming constrained across the world, and we want to understand how we can do efficient and fair water distribution across regions. We want to use Accuweather's interesting weather data sets in order to understand how water stockpiles will evolve over time throughout various regions, and then figure out how to best allocate that water resource to prevent conflict and calamities caused by shortfalls. As we can see in other parts of the world at the moment, conflicts like farmer-herder conflicts can grind entire regions to a halt and reduce their economies and their people to incredible distress. We want to prevent that at all costs. So understanding how we can distribute water is a key proportion of this. We also want to understand how we can install effective water policy use to minimize water loss and also curtail excessive use where it's occurring. Finally, we want to protect water rights at all stages in this process, ensuring the rights of people, including indigenous people, and farmers who are in need of fair access, water supplies everywhere.
Okay, so our second idea is climate risk evaluations. To answer our how might we questions, the key question you need to ask is how to understand and assess such climate risks. One way is to use data to quantify such risks into a numerical index, and we can generate a risk index map so that stakeholders can better understand the difference in climate risk across various locations. Later on, we can, we can use such index to expand and tweak to multiple industries. Let's say that home insurance care more about fire hazard and flooding, and animal farms care more about high temperatures, whereas Disneyland might care more about less rainfall for choosing their next park expansion locations, and we can further adapt our models to their needs. One of the key constraints for this idea is that we need lots of localized data to generate some accurate models, and also to make predictions at a local scale. The smaller the scale of the data we have, the better it is.
Our next idea is business insights and data on demand. Accuweather's unparalleled weather database can be used to generate powerful insights and be integrated with market standard project management and business intelligence tools. One of the key aspects of this product is data as a service, which is a weather data subscription that can be exposed as an API or a socket. An extension of this idea is the implementation of BI integration and rich visualizations. Rich visuals can be embedded in existing BI tools to help analysts create reports and dashboards that are inclusive of weather data. Another application is a weather risk plugin for project management tools. This helps businesses to understand weather risks and can incorporate them while planning projects. Potential risk with this idea is the increased time to market posed by increased customization. These were the 3 ideas. Thank you for listening.